Hello everyone, here we'll talk about the geometric mean as it concerns the geometric progression or the exponential sequence as we've talked about in the previous video. Okay, so what is the geometric mean of two numbers? The geometric mean of two numbers x and y is given by the square root of the product of the numbers x times y. Going by this, what will be the geometric mean of 4 and 8? The geometric mean of 4 and 8 will be equal to the square root of 4 times 8. And 4 times 8 is simply 32. So we have root 32. Alright, 32 is actually equal to 16 times 2. Let's break it down. The square root of 16 is 4, okay? So we have 4 root 2. This is the geometric mean of 4 and 8. Look at a more complex problem. Now, I can actually have more than one geometric mean between two numbers. So how do I do that? Here, I want to insert 3 geometric means between 2 and 162. So let's dive right into the solution. Remember the nth term formula for a GP that says u sub n is equal to a arrow to the power of n minus 1. And we said that this formula also works for last term of a GP. Here, I want to insert 3 numbers between 2 and 162. That is, in between 2 and 162, I need 3 numbers. So let the numbers be x, y, and z. Remember that for a GP that has a common ratio, to get successive terms is to multiply the previous term by the common ratio. To get x here, I need to multiply 2 by the common ratio of this GP. I need to multiply the common ratio by x to get y. And I need to multiply the common ratio by y to get z. Of course, multiply z by the common ratio to get 162. The problem is, what is the common ratio now? The first term of this sequence is 2. What is the last term? 162. Good. Based on this formula, what will be n? How many terms do I have here? I have 5 terms. Of course, I'm dealing with the last term. And the last term here, which is 162, is in the 5th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 162 is number 5. So n is 5. Alright? So going by this formula, the last term is 162, which is equal to a, which is 2, times the common ratio, which we are looking for, raised to the power of n minus 1. n is 5. 5 minus 1. So 162 is equal to 2 arrow to the power of 4. What I have to do now is to divide both sides by 2 to eliminate this one. Okay? So this will actually give me 162 divided by 2 is 81. That's equal to arrow to the power of 4. Alright, now I have arrow to the power of 4 at the right hand side, and here it is 81. But 81 is actually 3 to the power of 4. We can see that. Multiply 3 by itself 4 times, you get 81. So the powers are the same, 4, 4. It means that the base are also the same. Therefore, arrow is equal to 3. So I can now determine the geometric means x, y, and z. The first term is 2. To obtain x, multiply 2, this first one, by the common ratio, 3. X is equal to 6. To get y, multiply x, which is 6, by the common ratio. That's what? 18. Okay, to get z, multiply 18 by the common ratio, which is equal to what? 54. The last term is 162. So if I multiply 54 by the common ratio 3, I will obtain what? 162. So the sequence that we can form now from this is actually what I want to write here. The first term is 2, x is 6, y is 18, z is 54, and the last term is 162. 6, 18, 54 are the geometric means in between 2 and 162. I hope you get this. This is how to get multiple geometric means in between two numbers. I'll see you in the next video. Keep watching, like the video and share to your friends and your classmates. I'll see you in the next one.